Didn't want to have a gas fiasco for you guys like we did, so we ended up stopping and getting some gas, filling it up, and we are actually heading out of Phuket for the first time since we've been in Thailand. We are going to check out a couple of really awesome waterfalls, and we're so excited. You.
Heck yeah, that's sweet.
We usually have to trek, but there's not much of a trek because I don't know if you can see it, but that's the waterfall, and it's huge.
That's an impressive one too.
Let's go!
Thank God I told you guys let's do this.
Thank God I found this place. You match Nanny, that's so cute.
Alright guys, the one knock on this waterfall is a pretty treacherous hike in, so we're not even sure if we're going to be able to do it or not. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
We're ready!
Do I need my camel back?
I think we should. I don't know why we're not bringing all of our stuff. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, we're about 30 seconds into the walk. There she is. Woo! That was a hike. Oh, look, he's got a surfboard. Look, he's got a surfboard.
Alright, can definitely dive for lobsters here.
Super cool. That might have been the easiest walk to a waterfall we've ever done.
This is awesome! This was my #1 waterfall that I wanted to visit while we were here in Thailand. I'm so happy we did.
I love the little swimming pools, each little kind of like step downs in each little spot. Really cool. How you doing? It's so cool how every waterfall you come to has its own unique shape and just what it looks like. This is definitely unique to anything I've ever seen. Also, this is definitely a locals watering hole. It's pretty cool. Hey, cute boy.
Put your head up.
No! No! Well, we sort of just got rained out of the waterfall, but got back to the car, it was already done. So I think we're gonna drop our stuff off and go back up. What you guys thinking?
Yeah, I think we should get the lobster and maybe ARIAH can do some lobster diving.
Woo!
What do you think, girl? She's so cold.
Oh, get a towel.
That's the one. That is definitely the one bad thing about not having a long trek up to the waterfall. Usually you have a long trek and you're hot and you want to get cooled down by the water, but this one, not so much.
You see that butterfly? Come here.
Look.
Yeah, I know. Look, butterfly. Oh, look, he's going to land right by you.
That's cool. Definitely the land of the butterflies here in Thailand. If you like butterflies, come to Thailand.
There's so, I would love to see how many variations they have, because we have seen at least 20, 25 that were completely different from each other.
All right, rain gave us a window. We're going up here.
The Phu Pha Sawan Waterfall.
Phew. ARIAH found some friends.
We found our own little surfed up surfboard.
I saw this piece of wood float and I started beelining it for it, and then one of the little kids ran over and grabbed it from me. I wasn't going to compete with him, but I was like, dang it, we could have had some fun with that thing here.
I personally love the local experience here. You haven't really seen any tourists. This is very, very local. Looks like the local swimming pool, and we're so glad we found it. It's awesome, beautiful, and the water's not freezing, so I love it. So Daddy and ARIAH already got to check out the main pool up here right at the top. I haven't, but he says it's really cool, so we're gonna go let Mom check it out.
Woo! What's up? Florida, USA? Thailand. Woo! Is this your home? Woo!
Woo! This feels so crazy. Bring him rocks he can throw. Hey Xander, look what Mommy got you.
Oh,
Does that make you a happy boy? Here, you can throw. Hang on, wait till I walk away.
yep, you better, Mom.
Let me see you throw it.
Good. Oh, good throw.
Some locals having a lunch here.
That's actually like the 4th local big pot picnic I've seen here at the waterfall since we've been. It's so cool.
Yeah, this is definitely the local spot.
On our way out from that waterfall, we just saw this. Look how cool. Cute little natural table and chairs.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.